Welcome one and all to the Ouija God channel.
In the darkness of nighttime, as you lay down to sleep, in your dreams we will meet.
Previously on Aliens on a Boat.
I found it in our baseball field.
I have been dead for so long, but now I live again in this new body.
Who are you? What have you done with my baseball coach?
Back to the search looking for our baby.
From the darkness into the light.
Oh, my ass. How did I get here? I assume you want an axe. I only got one left.
Oh yes, that is what I
Then
want.
go get it.
Thank you for tuning in to Breaking News. I am Brad Turner, and in today's news, well, we actually have quite a bit to tell you. Somebody did find a skull on a baseball field. Now we'll go ahead and show the picture of the skull so that you guys can see it as well. Now the police are investigating to see whose skull this is. In other news, we do have somebody with us today who says he was either abducted or almost abducted by aliens. His name is Mark, and upon waking up, this is what he had to say. That was caught on CCTV. Let's go ahead and show that footage.
Oh, my ass.
That has got to be the best footage I've ever seen in my life. That is quite mysterious, but also awesome. Now, let's go ahead and bring Mark in on this conversation. Alright, and now we have Mark with us. And how are you doing today, Mark?
I feel like someone shoved something up my ass.
And could you tell us exactly how far up in there it is?
That I cannot actually describe. No, I do not know what was shoved up in my ass. I'm fine.
Okay, and how far up there would you say that it is?
I say very far.
Okay, and should we be getting like an ambulance for medical attention or something like that?
I don't think so, no. I think it feels pretty good.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up now and see about getting this thing out, whatever it could be. But thank you again for tuning in to Breaking News. And we'll see you guys later. Again, I am Brad Turner, signing off.